Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw eyes in different ways. Eyes of course come in different shapes, and they also change depending on the patient's facial expression, whether it's anger, happiness, or whatever. So let's just draw a few different ones here. With the first one, let's start with drawing the iris, just a round circle, and let's draw a smaller pupil. Give it a little bit of shading here. Let's make the highlight here on the left side and shade in the iris. These will be just quick sketches. So in this instance, the upper lid is going to be a little bit higher, so you'll actually see most, if not all, of the pupil or most of the iris, and curve out and over to the outer part. So surprise, shock, sometimes you'll be able to see most of the iris. It'll be exposed. So let's continue the bottom part here and draw a line here for the lacrimal duct. Draw the upper lid, shade it a bit here, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna add some shading here, and in this instance let's say the eyebrow will be kind of higher, and you notice that my strokes here are vertical initially, and then start slanting and then going out to the side. Let's do another one. Here I'm going to draw the iris again, pupil, and in this case this will be even more of a surprise. A lot of times then the eye will be wide open and you'll see the full iris. So here we've got the upper lid quite high from the iris, and you'll really see much more of the eyeball. Go down. So all of this is the eyeball, the white of the eye, and just shade it a little bit here, give it some shape as far as the eyeball. Lower lid. Again, we'll have the eyebrow quite high from the eye, and here's the start of his nose. Let's draw another one. This time we'll start with the eyelid and maybe tilt it down a little bit this way to the inside, and the bottom part of his eyelid. And this time, this might be just a normal facial expression. You're not going to see the upper part of the iris because it'll be hidden. The eyelid will be more relaxed. And normally in this instance then the more of the eye will be covered. Just draw the eyelid here, and the eyebrow, and this is more of a relaxed eye. So let's draw let's go ahead and draw an eye that's, let's say, is a little bit angry, when someone's angry. So now the eyebrow will be lower, the forehead will be furrowed. So let's draw the eyebrow a little bit lower. Here's the upper lid, and the eye will be squinting more, so we'll make this a little bit narrower. And now we'll see even less of the eye. And the pupil then will be a little bit higher, closer to the upper lid. Put a highlight here, darken this. And the area by the upper lid will be more in shadow because of the furrowed brow. Okay, so let's draw one more. This time let's draw kind of a saddish eye. Makes me think of Eeyore. And the eyelid is a little bit sagging, kind of downward, relaxed, kind of wide. We'll see the lower lid here. We'll see the lower part of the iris. Just draw this pupil real quick, highlight. Notice that when I shade in the iris, I use radial lines. That instantly gives me some detail without working too hard. And draw a relaxed, maybe a relaxed eyebrow that maybe starts to kind of droop down a bit at the outer parts. Okay, and let's draw one more that's a little bit sad, except this time we'll draw the inner eyelid, upper eyelid, with a more of a fold to show that it's kind of droopy, like right here with this line. And again, you'll see a lot of the pupil, a lot of the iris, but because it's relaxed, you're not going to see the upper part of the iris. Here's the highlight, and again, here's some radial lines. Maybe a more worried look, so the inner part of the eyebrow will be higher, and the whole eyebrow then kind of tilts downward. Alright, this was just a quick exercise in showing what you can do with the eyes if you're drawing from imagination. Just try to think of how your face would look, your eyes, your eyebrows. They all work together to convey an emotion, whether it's the eyebrows curving down like in anger or concern, just relaxed, or worried where it starts to curl upward, the inner part. And it'll also affect then how the iris appears, whether you see the whole thing here as in surprise, furrowed under the upper eyelid and hidden in anger, or just relaxed like when a person's sad, like here. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this interesting, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.